Do you want to add a table of contents to your WordPress blog post or pages? Then, this video is for you. Generally, tables of content gives a better user experience and helps to navigate to the chapter the user wants to read quickly. Also, it arranges and organizes the content on your blog post or pages. For example, this is my table of contents on my blog page. And here in this tutorial video, I will explain how to create it exactly like this. Moreover, besides the best user experience, adding tables of content helps to improve your blog's SEO also. Yes, Google uses the tables of content headings on their search results for users to navigate the specific headings or subchapters from the search results. Even sometimes, feature snippets from the Google search results are mainly fetched from the tables of contents. So, let's see how to add tables of content to your WordPress blog post or page. This is one of my blog posts on how to start a YouTube channel. It has a lot of subheadings. So, I really need to have the table navigations here. Firstly, the easiest way to add tables of contents is by adding the plugin called Easy Tables of Content. Go to your plugins page and install the plugin named Easy Tables of Content. If you want to know more about how to install the plugin on WordPress, then check out the video above here. Okay, once the installation is done, go to the settings and click Tables of Content. Here, the plugin automatically comes with some of the default settings. However, let me recheck if I need anything more on these. Enable support. The post checkbox is already enabled, however, I will include the pages also. The next one is auto insert. I leave this one for posts alone, because mostly we create and publish blog posts, not pages. Generally, pages are mainly used on About page, Disclaimer page, Home page, and Disclosure page, etc. Therefore, auto-insertion is not required for these pages. If you need, you can add it on the specific page instead of adding all the pages. The next one is position. Where do you want to show these tables of content on the blog posts? Different options exist, like after the heading, after the first paragraph, or top and bottom of the article, etc. But I would like to add it before the first H2 heading. Well, depending on your wish, you can choose it. And the next one is when it needs to show. When my blog post heading count reaches 10, the tables of content will automatically be present. The heading includes H2, H3, H4 and H5. Also, you can change the tables of contents header label name if you want to change it here. Leave the rest of the things as it is. Scroll down. And for the appearances, you are allowed to choose the background color, themes, border color, title color, link hover color, etc. Mostly, that's all. Please scroll down and leave the rest of the settings as it is. And finally, click the Save Changes button. That's all. We have successfully installed and updated the Tables of Contents plugin settings. Let's see if the changes are reflected in our blog post. Before that, if you are using any cache plugins, try to clear the cache and refresh the page. For example, here I'm using the WP Rocket Cache plugin for cache clear, and it's one of the top plugins for bloggers to speed up their site performance. I will leave the plugin's URL down here. If you want to explore more about it, check it out. Okay, our cache is cleared. And we will see the article. Scrolling down. Here it is. The tables of contents are added. Let's test it. I'm clicking the headings. Looks good. Well, it redirected me to that particular paragraph correctly. No codes, no complicated settings, not much work. It's pretty straightforward, right? Not only to this article, but the tables of contents are added and updated to all my blog posts based on the settings we provided. In the meantime, if you don't want to add tables of content on particular posts or pages, you can do it by go and edit the article. Scroll down. Here, select the Disable the automatic insertion of the table of contents checkbox. Save it. That's all. For that particular blog post, the automatic insertion of the table of contents will be disabled. I hope you learned how to create a free table of contents in WordPress posts and pages. Apart from this plugin, an alternative plugin called AIO SEO helps to add tables of content. It's a premium plugin, and it is the best alternative for this tool. However, it has many premium features like listing the headings in bullets, placing them on the sidebar instead of the center, and a few more options. If you are using AIO SEO already, it's best to use the same plugin and utilize this feature if you are unaware. Otherwise, use the free Easy Table of Content plugin. I hope this video provides value to you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more WordPress video tutorials and blogging tools. Feel free to comment here for any doubts. Happy blogging!